This is the cheapest way to get from Narita Airport to Tokyo. Today, let's take this bus to go from Narita Airport to Tokyo Station. I'm gonna show you exactly where to buy a ticket, how much does it cost, how long does it take to get to Tokyo Station, how to get to the bus stop, luggage rules, operating hours, and how to transfer to the JR trains or Shinkansen after arriving at Tokyo Station. There are mainly two bus services at Narita Airport, so let's check out their differences too. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take this bus when you come visit Tokyo, Japan. This video is not sponsored or affiliated. If you find it useful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel to help me continue to create more videos. I really appreciate it. Now, let's dive right in. If you're coming to Tokyo via Narita Airport, there are two options of public transportation that you can take to get from Narita Airport to Tokyo Center. Option 1 is the trains, and option 2 is the bus. I've created step-by-step guides about how to get from Narita Airport to Tokyo by the Skyliner and by the Narita Express train. If you're considering taking the express trains to Tokyo, please check out those videos. In this video, let's talk about the bus options. So, what are the bus options available at Narita Airport? Basically, there are two main options. Option 1 is the Narita Airport buses, and option 2 is the Narita low-cost bus, or LCB. There are two main differences between these two bus services. The first difference is price. The Narita Airport low-cost bus offers much lower price. And the second difference is the areas that they cover. I really like this signboard because you can tell the differences of the buses right away. As you can see here, the Narita Airport buses covers a wider range of destinations, not just areas in Tokyo, but also to some further areas like Omiya, Sendai, Kawaguchiko, and Mount Fuji stations. They mostly cover different destinations, but there are a few similar destinations. For example, Ginza, Ikebukuro, and Shibuya Station. Although the low-cost bus only goes to Shibuya Station twice a day at 10:10 and 12:10. If you're going to Shinjuku Station by bus, you need to take the Narita Airport buses because the low-cost bus is not available. Today, I'm going to Tokyo Station and I'm gonna take the low-cost bus, which is the cheapest option available. Before getting on the low-cost bus, you need to buy a ticket. So where to buy a ticket for the low-cost bus? The low-cost bus doesn't have ticket vending machines at the airport. They only have main counters. And their counters are located right outside the arrival gate. So right after you get out of the airport custom check, you should immediately see the bus ticket counters in front of you. For example, this is the setup at Terminal 1. You can see that the arrival exits are here and the bus ticket counters are right here. And this is the setup at Terminal 2. The arrival exits are here and the bus ticket counters are right here. The setup is slightly different at Terminal 3, where the bus ticket counters are right next to the information desk. And at the bus ticket corners at all three terminals, there are two different counters. The yellow ones are for the Narita Airport bus, and the green ones are for the low-cost bus. What time do the bus counters open? The bus ticket counters are not open 24 hours a day, and it seems that the opening hours of the low-cost bus counters vary depending on their location at the airport. For example, According to the Narita Airport website, at Terminal 1 South Wing, it opens from 7 a.m. to 10:55 p.m. At Terminal 2, it opens from 7 a.m. to 10:50 p.m. And at Terminal 3, it opens from 7 a.m. to 10:45 p.m. The opening hours seem to be updated often, so please check out the website of Narita Airport before your trip for the latest updates. Do they take credit cards? Yes, when you buy at a ticket counter, they accept cash and credit cards. What to do when the ticket counters are not open? If you take a late bus from the airport when the ticket counters are not open, you can pay by cash directly to the bus driver. But if the ticket counters are open, you need to buy a ticket there before getting on the bus, or you can pay on the bus with an IC card. So this is my ticket for today, departing at Narita Airport Terminal 1, bus stop number 7 at 12:10, and my destination is Tokyo Station. And the cost of this ticket is 1,300 yen, or about less than $9 for an adult ticket. This bus is non-reserved seating, so there isn't a seat number on the ticket. You need to come to the bus stop at least 5 minutes before departing time, or come earlier if you don't want to sit in the back of the bus. Now let's get to the bus stop. So how to get to the bus stop? Narita Airport has 3 terminals, and the bus stops for the low-cost bus are different at each terminal. At Terminal 1, the bus stop for the low-cost bus is bus stop number 7. At Terminal 2 is bus stop number 6. And at Terminal 3 is bus stop number 5. But at all terminals, the bus stops are really close to the bus counters, just right outside the bus ticket counters on the same floor. So it's really easy to get to the bus stop. It only takes a few seconds. The low-cost bus is not one bus company. Rather, it's a service that is offered by multiple bus companies. So you may see different bus designs because they are from different companies. For example, you may see this bus, or this bus. These buses offer the low-cost bus service altogether. So instead of confirming the look of the bus, you just need to confirm if you are at the right bus stop or not. There are many bus stops at each terminal of Narita Airport. They are lined up in order and have very clear signs and information of their directions. So it's very easy to check and confirm if you are in the right stop or not. Once you get to your bus stop, there will be staff to cross-check your ticket and guide you where to line up and help you with your luggages. So what is the luggage limit? I noted that it says the luggage limit is 1 large suitcase per person on their website. But when I checked with the staff at the low-cost bus ticket counter, the luggage limit is actually up to 2 large suitcases per person. And this doesn't include your backpacks or personal bags. This might be case by case depending on the status of the bus, so you may want to double check with the ticket counter staff before buying a ticket. Is there Wi-Fi on the bus? Yes, once you are on the bus, you can use the free Wi-Fi. I personally found it quite fast and stable enough to watch YouTube videos on my phone, but I couldn't find phone chargers on the bus. What time is the first and last bus of the day? For this low-cost bus, the earliest one is 7:30 a.m. departing from Narita Airport Terminal 3 station, 7:35 a.m. from Terminal 2, and 7:40 a.m. from Terminal 1. And the latest bus is 11:20 p.m. from Terminal 3 station, 11:25 p.m. from Terminal 2 station, and 11:30 p.m. from Terminal 1 station. Where is the bus stop at Tokyo Station? The bus stop of this low-cost bus at Tokyo Station is right outside Tokyo JR Station building on the Nihonbashi exit side. From there, you can walk into Tokyo Station where you can switch to the bullet trains or the JR trains. How long does it take to get to Tokyo Station from Narita Airport Terminal 1 by the low-cost bus? My whole trip from Narita Airport Terminal 1 to Tokyo Station took about 80 minutes at noontime on a rainy weekday. How's the bus compared to the Narita Express train? Compared to the Narita Express train, which also goes directly from Narita Airport Terminal 1 or Terminal 2 to Tokyo Station, the low-cost bus is a lot cheaper, less than half the price of the Narita Express. It's only 1,300 yen compared to more than 3,000 yen ticket of the Narita Express. But in terms of time, it takes about 20 minutes longer than the Narita Express in my experience. Another huge advantage of the low-cost bus is operating hours. The Narita Express trains departing from Narita Airport are not available after 10 p.m., whereas the low-cost bus from Narita Airport is until around 11:30 p.m. Do you have to reserve the low-cost bus ticket in advance? At the time of making this video, the low-cost bus does not take reservation and they don't have online reservation. But in my experience, you don't have to reserve this bus in advance. Just get a ticket upon arrival and you're good to go. How to get from Tokyo Station to Narita Airport by the low-cost bus? This low-cost bus is also the cheapest way to get to Narita Airport from Tokyo Station. If you want to get to Narita Airport from Tokyo Station using this bus, go to the southern side of the Yaesu exit of Tokyo Station. This is where all the bus stops are. There's a bus ticket office of the low-cost bus, and there are also ticket vending machines there where you can buy the low-cost bus ticket with credit card or cash. Going to Narita Airport, the ticket price is the same regardless of the terminal you're heading to. All terminals are included under a Narita Airport station, so the terminal won't be shown on the menu or the ticket. You just tell the driver or the staff your terminal and get off there, as the bus will be stopping at all terminals of Narita Airport. The earliest bus departing from Tokyo Station is 5 a.m. and the latest one is 7:30 p.m. If you take an early bus before the bus ticket office is open, you can pay by cash directly to the bus driver. But if the bus ticket office is open, you need to buy a ticket there before getting on the bus, or you can pay on the bus with an IC card. So this is how to get from Narita Airport to Tokyo Station by the low-cost bus, which is currently the cheapest way. I hope you found the information you need. All information in this video might be updated regularly, especially with the current shortage of drivers in Japan. So I highly recommend you check out websites of the bus company and the airport for the latest updates before your trip. I'll leave all the related links in the description below this video. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with any of them. This is my personal experience, and I hope it could be a useful reference for your coming trip to Japan. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it to your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me continue to create more videos like this. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and have a nice day.